cause the melanin a pop. Walk on this melanin, show off your melanin.
What's going on, babies? It's your girl Nia Zhrane. If you're new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I did this graphic liner look. The liner I decided to play with is these water activated liners from Glam Vice. The website will be listed in the description box along with all the products I used in this tutorial. If you subscribe to my channel and it's your like umpteenth time watching my video, just hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so it notifies you whenever I post a new video. Follow me on all socials at Nia Zhrane, and let's get right into this video. You could buy the liner thingies, the eyeliner pencils off the website, or you could use a thin one, but I took the white eyeliner from the NYX liquid eyeliner bottle and I cleaned it off, and that's what I used for this. And I poured some water in the back of a cap, so just dip it in there and then click on here, and then I'm gonna show you how I use. Okay, so the colors I'm gonna be using today is crop top, this neon yellow, this color called chill pill is an orange, and this hot pink called roller skates. If you're interested in it, I'm gonna leave a link where you could get them and purchase them if you're interested. So we're gonna do the bottom line, the lash line first. So what I do is take the liner, dab it a little bit in here, and ignore the fact that they have a bunch of colors already in here, but I take it and I just like swirl it around so the product can go on the brush. I try to make sure it's not as runny because it wasn't working for me when it was runny. So to not make any mistakes, I try to do it thin and like closer to the lash line first, and then get thicker because as a queen of mistakes and we don't need to make any more mistakes. So same thing for the green, the red. I clean the brush off with nice with water and a napkin, and then I go in and wet it and I'm serious about it. If you can't really see it, trying. Bless me. For the pink, I just do the flicks to make the wing and to make sure it matches other side. Okay, and drag it down. Not that kind of drag, but drag it down. To create some magic. So what I did for this side, my right side, your left, even though your left, your right is my right, whichever one. What the fuck, you know, that's fix acting like me in a respectable person in the community. We're gonna take the yellow and we're gonna create dots to outline where we're gonna start the line. So that. I'm gonna repeat the same thing. If you as anal as me, I'm gonna show you how to fix it, y'all. But I'm gonna do the rest of the face, so just keep watching and see how I do my face, the new products I'm using, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about these eyeliners. And yeah, just keep watching. Alright, so guys, this is the final look. I really have fun filming this video for Ayo because it's simple but still lit. So if you like want to be cute but want to be simple at the same time, you could do this, or you could just do the bottom. You ain't gotta do all of that, but it's lit. Like I said before, if you're interested in this, I would say it's super easy to use. The only thing is you have to like make sure that the brush is super opaque so that when you apply it, it don't look watery. But other than that, it's cool, and I will be using it in the future, and to me it was a great purchase. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go right ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell so it notifies you when I post the next video. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms on Nia Zhrane. And also, don't forget to tell your mother, your sister, your auntie, your cousin, your brother, your whole family, your friends to subscribe to this channel, because I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Love ya.